Meet Weave, the AI agent platform built by Youwe. Where other tools stop at simple automation, Weave takes on the complex work. One central dashboard gives your team full control. Track every process, monitor credits in real time, and launch new AI workflows in a single click. The Weave marketplace brings all our agents together, from content generation and product enrichment to contract analysis and complex order intake, an ever-growing library of specialized agents ready to deploy. And when your process is unique, we build custom agents and interfaces on top of the same platform. The possibilities are endless. Take the order intake agent. It reads incoming order documents, even complex custom panel orders with cutouts and non-standard measurements, extracts every line item, validates it against your ERP, and prepares it for import. What used to take hours of manual entry now takes minutes, going far beyond standard OCR. Starting a process is simple. Upload your file, select your columns, choose a prompt composition, and start. Weave handles the rest at scale. Every run is tracked from queue to completion. Full transparency, full auditability, thousands of items at a time. Transparent credit-based pricing that grows with you, from starter to enterprise. Weave by Youwe. Ready to see what AI agents can do for your business? Book your demo today.